Every journey of the cashew nut begins in the quiet of the orchard. Careful hands protect quality from the very first touch. Harvested nuts move forward together, batch by batch.
Quality begins with selection at the source.
Each sack carries the promise of precision ahead. Harvest flows steadily toward its next stage. Here, volume and consistency take shape. Measured harvests ensure controlled processing. Order begins even before machines engage. Mechanized movement now joins human effort.
From soil to system, the transition begins.
The path ahead leads to transformation. Harvest meets logistics. Stability ensures integrity. The harvest now moves toward its industrial journey. With harvest secured, the journey continues beyond the fields. Distance turns raw yield into industrial input. Infrastructure bridges farms and factories. Destination comes into focus.
Precision begins even behind the wheel.
Industry signals the next phase of control.
Every facility guards its standards.
Verification protects quality from the start.
Raw materials are now inside the system. Controlled paths guide every movement. Arrival marks the end of travel. Positioning prepares for transfer. Silence signals readiness. The factory awakens to receive. Transport ends where processing begins. Now the factory takes control of the harvest. Every step forward tightens precision. The threshold between field and process.
Machines stand ready for their task.
Human skill meets mechanical order. Safety and consistency guide every move. Gravity starts the first controlled flow. Motion replaces stillness.
Scale defines modern processing.
Flow must never break. Clean air protects clean product.
Human judgment fine-tunes machines.
Clear direction prevents error. Processing deepens step by step. Preparation is about to begin. Cleaning removes what the field leaves behind. Air and motion separate purity from waste. Precision begins with controlled movement. Invisible safeguards protect every batch. Only what matters moves forward. Human eyes confirm machine results. Experience sharpens accuracy. Separation protects consistency.
Uniformity prepares nuts for steaming.
Standardization simplifies the next stage. Final cleansing ensures purity.
Moisture is carefully controlled.
Preparation is now complete.
Heat will soon change everything.
Transformation is about to begin.
Steam softens the shell and unlocks the kernel.
Precision heat defines the outcome.
Even treatment preserves quality.
Heat prepares the shell to release.
Timing is everything in processing.
Balance keeps the process safe. Steaming completes its work. Cooling stabilizes the kernel.
Temperature control protects texture.
Dry surfaces ease the next step. Human checks confirm machine accuracy.
The nuts are ready for opening.
Preparation reveals opportunity.
Order ensures clean separation. The shell now meets precision. Precision force opens the hardened shell.
Accuracy preserves the kernel's value.
Separation begins immediately.
Only the kernel continues forward. The heart of the cashew is revealed.
Human judgment safeguards quality.
Uniformity prepares peeling.
Dry heat readies the skin. Controlled dryness is essential.
Subtle changes make peeling possible.
Preparation nears completion.
Stability protects delicate kernels.
The skin is ready to release.
Order sets the stage for precision.
The final barrier is about to fall.
Automation replaces resistance with finesse. The kernel finally stands bare. Airflow completes the separation. Integrity defines value. Technology sees what humans might miss. Precision correction happens instantly.
Only the best moves forward.
Refinement goes beyond peeling. Cleanliness reaches microscopic levels.
Transformation nears its end.
Flow remains uninterrupted. Data confirms performance.
Humans still guide the system.
Classification is next.
Final precision awaits.
Precision begins with alignment. Size defines classification. Color reveals quality. Accuracy works at high speed.
Top grade earns its place. Every kernel finds its category.
Nothing escapes inspection.
Human eyes give final approval.
Finish matters as much as form.
Numbers guarantee consistency.
Each batch stands complete. Quality control takes over. Traceability protects trust.
Verification is next.
Standards are about to be proven. Quality is proven under controlled conditions. Every batch is represented. Moisture defines shelf life.
Consistency is measurable.
Details matter at every scale.
Standards never shift.
Integrity is quantified.
Safety is verified silently. Approval clears the way. Control includes correction. Nothing leaves unchecked.
Engineer unrecovered.
Quality now meets presentation.
Data preserves accountability.
The final stage approaches. Quality is ready to be sealed. The final form now takes shape.
Packaging protects the journey's result.
Accuracy continues to the final gram. Freshness is locked in. Final checks ensure confidence.
Individual units become shipments.
Identity follows every box.
Order defines efficiency.
Protection extends beyond the factory. Storage preserves readiness.
Dispatch begins with movement.
The product prepares to leave.
And this is how modern factories produce cashew nuts from start to finish.
Precision travels far beyond these walls. The journal continues with your curiosity.